Breeds of dogs. Introduction. Do you ever notice how many different kinds of dogs are? There are big dogs, small dogs, long dogs, short dogs, hairy dogs, and even hairless dogs. There are dogs with big ears, little ears, big noses, little noses, long legs, short legs, long tails, and no tails at all. Why are there are so many kinds of dogs? The reason is because there are lots of breeds of dogs. Breeds are kinds of dogs that are kept separate from other breeds during the mating time. During mating time, if each breed of dog only mates with its own kind, the puppy will be the same kind of dog too. These dogs are purebred, which means that since their parents were the same, they will be the same too. A male and female bulldog will have pups that are bulldogs. Other dogs are called mixed breed dogs. They are mixed of two or more kinds of dogs. Mixed breed dogs are sometimes called mutts. How did different kinds of dogs come to exist? Long ago, there were no dogs. There were only wolves. When people first began living in village, villages, they, their garbage became became a food for source for wolves. Over time, some of the wolves eating human garbage became tamer. These wolves slowly changed to be better at living close to people and began to look and act more like modern dogs. People saw that some of these early dogs were better at running, other dogs were better at hunting, and others were better at digging. Some people wanted a dog who was even better at one of those tasks, so they started only letting good runner mate with good runner, and only let good diggers with mate with good diggers. Over many thousands of years, the dogs people kept as pets changed into the breeds of dog we know today. Of course, the wild wolf stayed in wild and still wild today. There are seven groups of dogs, and each one has many breeds. Let's learn about these groups and some of their members. Sporting dogs. Sporting dogs were bred to help hunters. Some sporting dogs help a hunter find a game. The animal that is being hunted. Other sporting dogs fight game that is being shot and bring it back to the hunter. The pointer is the sporting dog that was bred to see the point at game. A pointer freezes in place with one front leg up and points it with its nose. The Labrador Retriever or Lab is a popular sporting dog that is also a good family dog. It was bred to retriever, retrieve, or bring back birds that been shot if they fell into ponds or lakes. Retrieve, retrieve, ponds or lakes, labs have webbed feet to help them swim well. The waterproof coat keeps them warm in cold water. They have strong jaws for carrying heavy birds. Hounds. The job of hounds is to chase game on the ground. There are two kinds of hounds. Sight hounds use their eyes to chase game. Scent hounds use their nose to follow the scent or smell of game. Hounds may bark to let a hunter know they have cornered they at the game, or they may kill the game themselves. The Irish wolfhound, a sighthound, is one of the tallest dogs in the world. It can be 9 meters at tall at tall the shoulders. It was bred to hunt and kill wolves. Its long, strong legs make it a fast hunter. The best scent hound is the bloodhound. It has loose skin on its face and long, floppy ears. Both of these things have stirred up small so that the bloodhound can find game animal easily. Bloodhounds are also good at fighting loosed people. Working dogs. Working dogs are smart and tough. They do jobs like guarding, protecting, rescuing, and pulling sleds and carts. The Newfoundland is a large, sturdy dog. It has a thick, waterproof coat to keeps it warm. Long ago, Newfoundlands were used to pull boats and heavy fishing nets through the water. Today, they are used in Europe to rescue drowning people. The Samoyed the Samoyed comes from the coldest parts of the Asia. Samoyeds were first used to guard and herd reindeer. Today they work as lead dogs. The weatherproof coat is extra thick for warmth. warmth. Their stocky shape helps keep body heat inside. Herding dogs. Herding dogs are fast-moving and smart. They were bred to control other animals, such as a sheep or cattle. Herding dogs control animals by barking, staring, or nipping. Herding dogs are easily trained. They are independent, eager workers. The Welsh Corgi is a sturdy, quick, short-legged dog. It was first bred to drive cattle. Because it is short, it can duck under cows and nip at their ankles. ankles. It is able to move quickly to keep from being kicked.